Facebook user 𝗯𝗵𝗋 posted online his recent electric bill from the Visayan Electric Company amounting to 877,045.80 pesos, an extremely huge amount compared to his November 2021 bill, which was only 4,557.84. As of this report, his viral post has also reached 4.4 thousand shares and 5.5 reactions. Here, he expressed his shock upon seeing the amount on the bill, saying that they don't live in a mansion to be charged such amount. Is that the only complaint posted online regarding the recent 𝗲𝗍𝗀 bills showing unexpectedly high amounts? To address these complaints, the electric company held a virtual press conference this morning, March 3. Engineer Daryl Bonbon, 𝗲𝗀𝗀's Vice President for Consumer Services, explained that 𝗯𝗵𝗋 nearly 1 million bill is an isolated case, which resulted from erroneous reading and encoding. He assured the customer that they will reach out to him to amend the errors made.
Pero explanation lang anong naabot og ingat ang iyang bill, naagitoy sayop sa pag-encode. Kaya nahitabo mo gud atong iyang account na ilisan to siya og meter. Unya, kung mag-ilis ta og meter, kuwaon man na nato ang removal reading, di ba? Sama sa atong dimension ganina, nga ang kanang meter na to nag-accumulate na ang iyang reading. Unya, pag encode ato na removal reading, dito to siya nasayop. Na murag na kay namali ang pag-encode sa digit. So mao-to nga pag padagan sa bill, na pick up to niya ang sayop nga removal reading sa meter. Unya, pagdugang sa iya hanggang katong bag-o na nga meter, up to sa gireadingan siya. Mao naman to ang katong new meter registration, di ba? Mo accumulate raman sa na siya, pag-add ngadto ni shoot up na ang iyahang energy.
For the other consumers though, he explained the reasons for their outrageous bills are due to lumping and overconsumption. He added that before Odette, their standard reading has always been for 30 days. But due to the typhoon, it took them 92 days to complete this, which covered the period from December to February.
So wala tay physical nga reading pag December o January, but since cumulative man na or magkasaka man na ang reading sa meter depende sa imong usage or depende sa imong consumption, mo na pag reading na mo balik sa February, mo reflecto ang imong consumption sa December o January. Tinuod wala mi nag-reading sa December o January, but tungod kay ang ato ang metro cumulative na siya, magkasaka magdepende sa ato ang consumption. Pag reading na mo sa February, ni-reflect na to imong usage sa December o sa January o sa February, of course.
He also explained that they did not waive payments but only temporarily stop distributing bills and reading meters because they were focused in restoring the electricity.
Pero wala na siya nagpasabot ha. Wala na siya nagpasabot. 92 days lang ang interval. Pero wala na siya nagpasabot nga kanang 92 days energized mo ana. Kay most probably after sa pag December 16 pag bagyo gyud gi-turn off ni Visayan Electric for safety purposes ang distribution network. Tanan yung customers wala gyud na salbar ato.
He also encouraged their customers to download their mobile app for real-time monitoring of their bills, and they may also contact their 24-hour service center for their concerns or for those who would like to request payments arrangements if they have difficulties in paying their current bills.
Ako, I would recommend sa chat, kay pwede mangunta picturean na to ang bill. Makik-chat ko sa to ang sa to ang mga service representatives. Unya, nakanindot pud sa chat or sa email is 24/7 siya ang nag-attend ani. So any time of the day, limited ra mo ta sa service center. So any time of the day, pwede na ako ipadala ni or ipaabot ni sa Visayan Electric.
This has been Sheriza Uy from MyTV Cebu.